Compared to thicker fillets, tin fish fillets like this require a bit more finesse to perfectly crisp the skin without overcooking. But if you get this right, you easily handle fish fillets of any thickness. Scoring the skin is the first thing you need to do, as the skin will shrink the moment it comes into contact with the hot skillet, and doing so helps keep the fillets flat on the skillet to evenly crisp the skin. The incisions should only be skin deep and avoid cutting too deeply into the flesh. Dry the skin with a kitchen towel, as moisture is the enemy of crispiness, and the drier the skin, the easier it is to get it crispy. After drying, lightly season the skin with salt. I prefer using either a well-seasoned cast iron or carbon steel skillet over non-stick Teflon or stainless steel because of their excellent heat distribution properties. When the skillet is hot, add a drizzle of coconut oil. It is always better to start with less oil, as some fat will be rendered from the fish as it starts to cook. I like using coconut oil because, unlike vegetable oil, it doesn't contain any trans fat and it is highly resistant to oxidation at high temperatures. Put the fillet skin side down and gently press with a flexible fish spatula. Pressing the fillets ensure that the skin is in even contact with the skillet. As the skin is searing, lightly season the flesh side with salt. To achieve the crispiest skin possible and the perfect doneness, cook the fillet unilaterally on the skin side until it's about 80% cooked. You know it's ready when you start to see the skin side that's in contact with the skillet browning and crisping up, and more of the flesh starts turning a whitish opaque color. Then turn off the heat, and when you flip it over, you want the flesh side to touch the skillet for no more than a few seconds before removing it onto a tray or plate to rest. At this stage, the fillet should be slightly undercooked, but the carried over heat will continue to cook the fish, bringing it to the perfect doneness after resting. After the fillets have rested for about a minute, it will be just cooked enough to flake while still remaining perfectly moist and tender, and not forgetting to mention having perfectly crispy skin. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers!